everybody, this is Ronnie and welcome to Show Me How Dad. Today we're going to learn how to put on a door handle. This door handle is part of a handle set. It's the lower lever. The first thing you're going to do is slide the through bolt into the latch mechanism. Make sure that it is seated properly. The thread spindles should be seated deep enough that they're inside the latch. The through bolt is curved to match the curvature. Next, use the wood screw provided to secure the handle to the door. Next step after that is to use the screws into the spindles, just a few threads on each side. This will allow for enough distance for the handle mechanism, handle plate. Thread it onto there and turn it about a half a turn to latch it into place, and then tighten the screws down. Once the screws are tightened down, we'll have a plate. Next, take the plate, snap it into place. Make sure that it's secure all the way around. Take your door handle, slide it on. There's an Allen screw that's underneath the handle. Use the wrench that's provided to tighten the Allen screw down to secure the handle. Once the screw is tight, make sure that the handle is secure. Thank you for watching Show Me How Dad, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And if you learned something, hammer that like button so the algorithm will find me and other people can learn as well. Thank you.